Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Okay, my name is Alfredo Pratama. I from Group 2 and today I will present about how to use CBank virtual account easily based on the infographic. The four of us will explain each part in detail for all of you. Goals atau tujuan. The first part is goals. The main objective of this group is to empower students and young adults to manage daily finance efficiently and make secure cashless transaction with ease. This means we are taught to utilize digital banking technology so that we don't have to worry about carrying physical cash when making transactions. Materials. Next is materials for the things we need to prepare. I will explain the first 2 points. Point 1, CBank app. This is the mobile banking application for CBank that must be installed on our phone with an active account so we can use its transaction features. Point 2, virtual account number. This is a virtual temporary account number provided by the merchant or buyer specifically for our transaction, so this number change every time we shop. Okay, point 3, internet connection. A stable internet connection is absolutely mandatory since the app online based. A poor connection can cause our transaction to fail or error. Point 4, transaction detail. This includes the transaction details such as the amount of money to be paid and its different number. So we do not enter the wrong amount of money. Step 1, get the PA number. First, get or copy the virtual account number for the shopping app or the merchant where you are transacting. Step 2, open CBank app and login. Second, open your CBank app and login using your password or register fingerprint. Step 3, select the virtual account option available on the main page of the CBank app. Step 4, enter the PN number and check details. Enter the virtual account number you got earlier. After that, the system will display the merchant name or bill detail. We must check it again to ensure the data is correct and not sent to the wrong person. Step 5, confirm the transaction amount. Confirm the transaction amount. Make sure the nominal matches our shopping bill. Then click agree or confirm. Step 6, enter PIN or biometrics. Enter your secret 6-digit PIN or use biometric like fingerprint or face recognition. This is a security step to verify that you are the one making this transfer. Step 7, wait for the transaction to be successful. Wait for a moment until the transfer process is finished and the system displays notification that the transaction is success. Step 8, set the receipt. Let's see, set the receipt or transfer proof to your phone gallery for your credit cards or as valid proof if the merchant needs it later. Reminder: this infographic also gives an important reminder for all of us. Keep your virtual account detail private. Real bank staff will never ask for your PIN. Also avoid sharing your PIN number unless it is for a payment you know and trust to avoid scam. Okay, that included our presentation from our group regarding the easy guide to using Citibank virtual account. We hope our explanation helped our friends in class science understand digital transaction safely. Thank you very much for your attention, Mr. Mann. And friends, if there are any questions, welcome. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.